If you are an IT leader, you need to be watching this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, and we're going to talk about what you should be doing in 2025 in order to keep yourself ahead of the curve. If you like this video, as always, please make sure you're following along by connecting with me here on LinkedIn or whatever platform that you're seeing this video on. So, 2025. It's going to be a big year. It's going to have a lot of changes. There's a whole slew of things that are going to be happening across the board. And the biggest one is a CEO's board of directors saying, when are we going to use AI? How are we going to use AI? And they're leaning on the IT staff to tell them what they can and can't do with it. But AI is an increasingly new technology. There's a lot of myths about what it can and can't do. And so as an IT leader, what you need to be doing is, one, setting expectations about what's achievable and what's not achievable. Number two, what you need to do is preparing your data for the coming AI emergence for your company. Because once you get whatever AI solution you end up attaching to your company, it needs to work off of your data. All of these services connect to your data and use it in some fashion. Whether it's an ordering bot for the website or if it's something to streamline efficiency, it needs to connect to your data so that it can manage and create the deliverables that your board and your CEO are expecting it to. And in order for that to go well, your data needs to be clean, it needs to be easily accessible, it needs to be secured. You need to establish your source of truth and make sure that that source of truth is as secured and tight as possible, but also somehow making it manageable and accessible by not just the AI device you're hooking up to it, but your entire organization. And that can be really hard. Usually it involves an entire team of DBAs coming in and implementing a master data management, a data warehouse, or something of that nature. And do you know how to do that? Do you have the staff in-house to do that? Do you have the budget to add 4 or 5 full-time employees onto the payroll? Most companies don't. Even the big ones don't want to be doing that. So here's what you can do is shoot me a message. Say, Devin, I know that my board of directors needs us to implement AI. How do we get our data ready for it? We get our best techs on the phone with you and walk you through cleaning your data, organizing your data, implementing a data warehouse or master data management and the right analytics so that when it's time for you to hook up your AI software of choice, you are ready to explode with growth and you're not grounding to a halt because of issues in your data maintenance. Shoot me a message. We'll talk soon.